OnePlus China president loosely said that the Reno 8 render is fake. However, the rumor mill is expected to reveal more information on the Reno 8 series, since it is expected to go official at some point in Q2. In November 2021, Oppo unveiled the Reno 7 series of smartphones in China. Now, the Chinese manufacturer seems to be working on the Reno 8 lineup. Reliable tipster digital chat station shared an image of a smartphone and claimed that the upcoming Reno 8 series will probably like it. The leaked render shared by the tipster shows the Oppo Reno 8 sporting a flat display with a punch hole design on the front. The rear-facing camera module fuses with the edge of the Reno 8. It includes 3 cameras and an LED flash. The Reno 8 series seems to be equipped with an in-screen fingerprint scanner. The left spine of the phone features volume up and down buttons, and its right side has a power key. The tipster has shared some specs of the Oppo Reno 8 series phone. It reportedly features a 6.55-inch Amoled Full HD Plus display that offers a 20:9 aspect ratio and a 120Hz refresh rate. The rear camera setup of the device has a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 main camera. Unfortunately, the leak has no information on the cameras, chipset, or battery of the device. Oppo unveiled the Reno 6 lineup in May 2021. Hence, there is a possibility that the Reno 8 family may go official in May or June this year in China. The lineup may include 3 models such as the Reno 8, Reno 8 Pro, and Reno 8 Pro Plus. It appears that the rumor mill will spill more information on the Reno 8 lineup specifications in the coming days. In related news, Oppo will be launching the Oppo F21 Pro and Oppo F21 Pro 5G smartphones on April 12 in India. The upcoming F-series phones will be accompanied by the Inco Air 2 Pro TWS earbuds. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every comment from you. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.